Hey crafters, thanks for joining me today. So today we are going to be opening one of the new mini verses that's hitting the shelves. This one is a series 2, a cafe one, so join me to open this up and see how it works. Hey crafters, so we are here to open up one of the mini verses. We already took the top layer off because somebody was excited to start it, so they started unwrapping it early. But this is one of those new mini verse balls. It's a surprise. This one's Cafe Series 2, where you actually get to make what you get with the resin in it. So it comes with resin. So we're going to get started and open it. You want to pull it right there?
Mm-hmm.
Pull. Can you pull it?
That hurt. Kinda hurt my finger.
Kinda hurt your finger?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so it comes in this container. So let's open it and see what we got. Okay. Alright, so instructions. We get 1, keep cool. 2, have a sunny day. 3 is your utensils.
I really like this one.
4, made fresh. And 5,
I really
thank you.
like that one.
And then you got read me first. How you do it. So it's resin. So think of resin as your glue. Use it to make it in every place. Note, using the base holder, make sure to expose resin to daylight or UV light. So to set this, you can either put it outside in the sun or you can use a UV light. I do have a UV light. I'm not sure if it'll work, so we will be setting ours outside in the sun. To make it easy to pour, try keeping the bottle upside down with the cap on in a cup or a bowl for at least 1 minute. When pouring the resin, we'll take a few seconds to drip or spread. Don't overfill your cups. If large bubbles appear when pouring, use the tip of the tweezers. Resin is still wet. Use to carefully place items before taking them outside. Build your dish or drink using the ingredients. Each package is unique. Set it once you prep and do the dish how you want. Set it outside or in a UV light for at least 5 minutes until resin is hardened. Check if resin is hardened with tweezers. Bring the dish back indoors and cool before touching. After you're done, clean all the surfaces and equipment. Store the product in a safe place away from children.
I get to use this for my dog shoes. I can use this for my dog shoes.
You can. If it's still sticky after 5 minutes, give it more time. So there you go. And then it shows you, other information before you start. Specific colors, blah, blah, blah. How to assemble a table. We didn't get the table. So the table is only included in certain series, so we don't have it. Recipe videos, you have a U-code, and then you have a storage and display, and there should be a peg somewhere that we get. All right, so let's get started. So it also comes with one of these. So these are your recipes that you can cut and keep. And here's all the different ones you can get.
I want all of the different ones.
Oh, I don't know. We got to see what we get. So you have chocolate-covered strawberries. You have drinks, little pies, little cakes. And then it shows you on the back how to do it. You want to open that one first? All right, so we're going to get started.
I want
pink one first. All right, so this is Make It Fresh. So what do we get? We got little nachos. So the one we got is the little nachos. So we got, if it focuses, the nachos.
I get to use this.
So
I can use this.
hold on. So we're going to hold the nachos there. Why don't you open this one? You want to open this one?
No.
No?
I want to open this one.
Open that one then.
Okay. Oh, it's so exciting.
Alright, well, you got it. So this one has the little thing to put on top of the lid so you can store your stuff. So see, little little container lid. And then it has your little spoon if you need your spoons, and your little tweezers to help place your little items. You gonna open this one, or you want me to open it?
I can.
Okay.
I think I want to do a snow one.
The blue one?
It looks like a snow one.
Ah. Ah, so this is the nacho cheese. So this is the resin. So this is how little it comes. It focuses. If I can get it to focus. Come on. Focus. There it goes. So there's the little nachos. So it shows you how big it is. All right, which one next?
I want to do this one.
That one.
I love doing this one. Too. This one.
Oh. So the little pico de gallo. So little, like it looks like sprinkles, but it's little. Get it to where you can see it. The little pico de gallo. Cute. All right, last one. I bet it's the plate. I bet it's the plate. Here. Why she's doing that? We're gonna hold that upside down. No. That way the resin comes out easy. All right. Are you gonna open it? All right. I bet it's the plate. Oh.
Plate?
It's the little plate with your little cup of cheese. Okay. So it's just a tiny cup of cheese. All right, you ready to make it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see if we can open our little things. Now we got to be careful because if we hit the table, it's going to
Break.
not break. It will spill everywhere. Oh, Mommy's almost spilling it from opening it. All right.
Can we open it?
Yeah, with little sprinkles. All right. So as you can see, it's just little tiny. So definitely for older kids. This isn't an older kid thing, but I thought this would be cute for something that we can do together. I'm gonna open the little nachos, and we can use it for her dolls when it's set. So, you need help? All right, let's open our bag of nachos. No, I can't really. I don't really want to cut it, but we might have to cut it. It's coming. There it goes. Alright, hold on. Use your tweezers. And it's your little nachos.
Dad can.
So, you can set it here. So we'll dump some of them out. We'll just dump all of them. So
No!
It's okay.
No.
We can pick up what we don't use in a minute. Leave it alone. It's okay. We'll pick up what we don't use in a minute. Alright, so let's get started. So first, we're going to use our cheese. Oh, it's not undone. Alright, so this is the resin, so be careful working with it. There's nothing you got to do. Your resin is ready to be worked with. When you open it, you just have to make sure you set it out.
We have this.
In the sun.
Little nachos. We have
look,
little
there it goes.
nachos. We have little nachos.
Alright. So, I think what we should do, now you can do this in different ways, but to get a little started, I'm going to take just a little bit of the cheese and then put it down there. And then let's see if we can, oh, there it goes. So I'm just taking my UV light. We'll see this, it says like 5 minutes in the sun, but I thought to help some of the cheese dip hold on there, we'll just take
cheese.
And this might not work, so we'll see. But that way, when she plays with it, she doesn't, it won't fall off the, won't fall off. What are you doing? No, don't do that.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah, that might not work. We might just have to twist this on there like that. Can you do that?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Put your nachos on there. Go for it. If I had a better UV light, it would probably work. We're just gonna...
I want to put this in here.
Not yet. Hold on. Oh, baby. Honey. Where's the bowl?
I did.
Okay. Alright. Got any more? Alright. Hold on, baby. Is that enough nachos on there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think so. Let's see. So, we have a little nachos left. Oh, over. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. So they give you this little spoon. So I'm going to just kind of stir it in here. And then use it to kind of drip all over the nachos. There we go. Yeah, baby. Give that back, baby. Don't do that. Honey, I need that. Now I can't open it. Can you open it, please?
Mm-hmm.
Just twist the lid.
No.
Alright. Thank you, baby.
Everybody, I put in a little nachos in here.
Okay, yeah. You can put the nachos back. That sounds like a good job for you. Put the nachos back. So I'm just dripping this cheese over the nachos. Trying to. So I noticed the more you get, the faster it drips. So if you get like a big clump of it, oh no, that's okay. One of the nachos flipped over, or the chips flipped over, but that's okay. So you have plenty in here. This whole thing is full, so don't feel scared about using what you have, because I will probably have some extra left over.
Honey, nachos! I put nachos in here.
Yeah. I'm going to hold it like
Mommy,
this, because I'm going
we
to
get this one too. We get this one too.
Yeah.
We get this one. Look. Look, Mommy.
Oh.
We get this one. Corn.
Yeah. It's not corn. It's saying the chips are corn chips.
Corn chips.
Mm.
Corn chips. This on it. Can I taste some of this?
Does that look good?
Can I taste
No,
this?
no, you do not. It's not at all. No, ma'am.
Why?
Because it's not actual cheese.
Oh.
It's fake cheese.
Oh.
Alright. Why don't you, while that's going, I'll take this off. And can you sprinkle just a little bit of the that on there?
Mm-hmm.
Be careful. Yeah, let me try to help. There it goes. Do you want to use the tweezers?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. There you go. And while you're doing that, I'm going to pour the cheese dip in there.
Tweezers are good. I'm fluffy.
You're silly.
I got tweezers not working.
Mm-hmm. You might have to use your fingers.
Fingers.
Sprinkle it all over. Alright. Put that on the lid for now. Clean that up. Alright, you sprinkling it? Is that good?
Yes.
Alright. Now, do you want any of this in the cheese dip over here, or just on the nachos?
Some of that.
On some of the nacho, on the dip in here?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Yeah.
Do it. Alright guys, so now we're going to go put it out in the sun for 5 minutes because we are done. And we will come back and see how it goes. So if I don't get a chance to post a video of how it looks afterwards.
I want to leave this in.
Hold on, don't touch that. When we get done, check out my Instagram. It's linked in the description below. But check out my Instagram. I would definitely be posting. So thanks for watching.